What up, viewers of the tube viewers, all you cootie queens and lint lickers? It's your favorite dad gamer here, Deuce 5. Like a normal dad, except cooler. Hoping you guys enjoyed my little special 420 videos that I put out yesterday. The Tracer Pack Stoner's Delight. Anyways, Season 3 is somewhat upon us. Had a little pre-update last night. Kind of looking forward to the new season. Season 2 was getting a little boring, if you ask me. Anyways, got something new for you today, something a little different. I'm not getting the views that I am hoping for, and I'm seeing other people with pretty, in my eyes, they're a little lame, a little boring. Not sure how they're getting the views that they're getting, so I'm hoping that maybe this video, maybe I'm wording things wrong. I don't know. Help me out YouTube. Anyways, what I got for you today is all 14 of the finishing moves that I have in Cold War. Just a little video of that. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Hopefully I get the views. If you do enjoy it, like it, subscribe for future content. Also check out my Facebook gaming page, Deuce 5 Gaming. Check it out.